Okay, so I did a video a couple years ago on a standing seam, and we're doing a new process now, and I wanted to share that. That process was good, but this process is way better. These panels are actually a 24 gauge panel, which is a bit of an overkill, but this is to me is the best roof. Each panel comes, check out all the panels here. So yeah, that's all that we have to put on this roof yet. But each panel comes wrapped. To keep it from being scratched. So each panel, like I said, is individually cut. We install all the trim, and then we measure for each panel. It's quite the process. So each panel has to be prepared, just like in the other video. An inch. This will be the bottom, and an inch. And so you just cut to the line. Cut these tabs off. And then this side here is done a little different because we fold the end over. To me it looks better. A lot of guys don't do it. A lot of guys do it. To me, it just looks a lot better. It keeps out bugs and everything else, kind of. So I just cut up square and cut to there. And just a slight bit of an angle. And then I'll just take my hammer. I'll bend that over and then cut that off. Okay, so then the bottom, just like the other stuff, this gets bent over just as a extra fastener. And being 24 gauge, definitely very thick. And it's a little bit more oomph. Okay, so this is what's interesting with the top. So the top is nothing fancy. I go about an inch, inch and a quarter. And then this part here, I'll show you how this works. So it slides into the cap system. It keeps it completely watertight and sealed. Okay, so this goes up. Okay, so this is the cap system here. This gets put on the cap. So if your peak of your roof is here, and you can see there's a bevel in there, right here. That's what that slit that I just cut slides into. And then the cap, there's a groove in there. That sits in there like that. Gets pop riveted. But it's cool because this here, the panel goes up top. It slides in there like that. And it keeps it completely water sealed. Watertight. And then obviously you have your cap that goes in there like that. So I'm going to take the phone from Lee and they're going to install this, and we'll show you how that process goes.
Ready? Now what we're going to do is slide this panel off the roof. We have to go over this and under all the cap up there at the top. So this is how you do it. up all the way, before you can get it up all the way, there's a side over here, you have to snap it down. Since we got it up now, I'll take a screw and put it at the bottom to hold it so he can screw the rest of it off and snap it down.
Without falling off the roof, right, Sean?
What's that?
Without falling off the roof, right?
Right. Now finish the panel up. We got these crimpers right here. And put them down on the bottom. Crimp them up. And it's a finished product.
After it's screwed.
Got
That's your cue, Sean. Okay, so this is our project. I'll back off here a ways so you can see how much we got to do here. So if anyone's asking what's a roof like this cost, this system is average about $1,000 a square. Obviously, the more complicated the roof is, the higher it goes, and the easier it is. The straight runs, the lower it goes. Maybe all the way down to maybe $800 a square for installation and purchase of the product. Here's one side that we did already. So yeah, that's standing seam. What's the benefits of standing seam? It's once and forever. And yeah, it's a lot more money than shingles, but if you look at the lifetime of your roof compared to I mean, if you're going to own your home forever, to me it's absolutely a no-brainer to put the best roof system on it possible, because if your house leaks, well, now you have repairs, and this is a forever roof. Never leaks. Wind doesn't blow off shingles. It's worth it, because if you look at the lifetime of shingles, I'm not against shingles. We do a lot of shingle roofs because obviously a lot of people can't afford something like this. But I think for new homes, it's just, to me, it's wisdom, because you won't be replacing your roof in 20 years, and it actually will pay for itself throughout the period of the life of your home. So there you go. Just a quick little video on what we do. This one's definitely a big project. We've been here for a while. Tore the roof off, obviously had shingles on. We actually painted this whole place as well, and we did a whole bunch of board replacement on the trim too. So it's been project's been a blessing. So okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I don't think I showed you enough that you can do it yourself, but enough to give you the understanding of just how watertight and sealed a roof system like this is. So okay, be blessed.